Hi all, this is a quick unboxing video for the VEGAPULS 21 radar sensor. This is an ATEX version of a radar sensor. So let's have a look and see what we've got inside the box. Documentation including the Bluetooth connection code, because this device actually has Bluetooth built in. Declaration of conformities, instruction manuals, etc. Inside the box, very simply, one VEGAPULS radar sensor. So on the back we can see the EX markings, you can see the serial number. Here we can see the Bluetooth device code, so for connecting to this to do setup via the free VEGATools app, there's a pin number there. On the back of the device is where the wires connect. Simple cable gland, comes with a plug. And then on top, this is where you make your wiring connection. So we've got a nice sealed cover here with a good O-ring seal, and internally very simple, quick connect. For the 20 milliamp wiring. So wiring this up is very simple. Nice bit of kit, very easy to install.